happy to come here in Malmö and meet you.
Yeah, and you first time you've been drinking red wine. Did you drink before?
Oh yes, I already drink in red wine in Korea,
Oh, okay.
but this experience is more better than Korea.
More experience what?
It's better than Korea.
Oh, really? Oh my goodness. I can't believe you said that.
And thank you for your service. And now I'll go Göteborg for my next travel.
Yeah.
I hope we can meet anytime for the future.
Yeah. I hope you meet like me.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay.
Hi guys, was cooking in the morning. Now I'm going out. Follow me. It's like a summer cooking. It's summer in Sweden.
time it should go. Fall back behind. Been here many times, but you always stay for the show. Stay for the show. Mine is a mess, my head's on my chest, I can feel again. Tightrope trapeze falling over my feet. You should stay till the end of the show. I hope you always stay for the show. 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 I could be your memory, the missing puzzle piece, a dream that never slows down. What is there that I could say when you look the other way? I think you're counting me out. I've told you this before, I'm not an open door. You can close when you please. Why can't you see?
Running people taking the water, drinks, and so
I could be your souvenir. Would you be mine? Would you be mine? I could be your souvenir. Would you be mine? Would you be mine? I could be your souvenir. Your souvenir.
the people running, that's why cops over there. Yeah.
I guess I'm falling behind.
I thought there was going to be
It's
a
marathon, yes.
half marathon.
Half marathon. Yeah.
Jolene was talking about.
Yeah.
I could be an easy bet, something you won't regret. Just give it a little time. Am I on your list? Does that even exist? I never know what you think. What is it you're running from? And can I come along? I wanna be what you need. This is not a roll of dice. I've seen the stars align. You were made for me. Why can't you see? I could be your souvenir. Would you be mine? Would you be mine? I could be your souvenir. Would you be mine? Would you be mine? I could be your souvenir. Would you be mine? Would you be mine? I could be your souvenir. Your souvenir. Though it's all in your control, I'm never letting go. I couldn't if I tried. I want forevermore, but you're not really sure. I can make you feel so alive. This is not a happenstance, it's not a cheap chance. We got something you can't deny. Bridges sway and bridges burn. I don't care if it hurts. I'm never saying goodbye. I could be your souvenir. Would you be mine?
Another day, last drink in Laboratory, guys. Guess what I'm drinking? Of course, you saw that red wine. Look at the eyes. Nice. How about you today?
I'm going up to eat next.
After that,
Yeah, I need to eat something.
okay, guys. That's enough to take video of John. He doesn't like to be on the video. Every time I'm taking a video. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Thank you for playing.
And see you soon. See you now here. See you soon.
Den börjar i november. Det är jävligt nöjd med. Jag fick ha till hela tiden. Jag får ju 500 meter.
Red wine is like my red chicks.
Jag tror de vill avsluta dem.
Ah,